Hello folks, welcome to ZigWheels, and today we've been laid out a treat by Hyundai as they've been celebrating 20 years of Hyundai in India, 98. That's when the first Santro rolled out, and we've come to the plant and the R&D center to find out a little bit more about what's going to happen and take a look at how they make cars here in Hyundai. It was a lot of fun. But before we carry on, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell to stay notified. So where we saw the cars being made, that's where the new Santro, or as is officially known, the AH2 is going to be made in a couple of months. When exactly? Well, in showrooms in October, but it's going to start manufacturing much before that, and it's not officially called the Santro as yet. Hyundai wants to call it the Santro. That's a secret. So they're going to hold a competition in which you get to pick what name you'd like to give this new hatchback from Hyundai. And Santro will obviously be one of the options. They just want you to say it out loud that you want it to be called the Santro. Call it the Santro, okay?
Everybody knows, huh? But AH2. You think the Santro?
Anyways, moving on. So that will be held in the middle of August, will go on till about September, and the name will officially be announced in the first week of October, just a bit before the launch. And that aside, the Santro will be offered with Hyundai's first automated manual transmission. This is news that we've had in the past. Which engine is going to come with? Well, it will be a petrol. The exact details are not known. What we do know is that this will be kind of like a tall boy, a practical family hatchback. Think a WagonR, but that's cooler and more premium. That's exactly what Hyundai's been doing. Remember the Eon? They took something that was a competition to the Alto and just made it cooler and more upmarket. Expect that with the new AH2 as well. That's only the tip of the iceberg, because Hyundai has announced that they're going to bring another 7 products by 2020.
We are planning to launch a new product within 3 years till 2020. So out of 8, 5 models with replacement, with the full model change to replace current one, okay? And out of 8, 1 is SUV EV, and 2 models like AH2, which we are planning to launch before Diwali 2018, and the QXI, small SUV, next April 2019, which we are planning to launch, is 2 models.
The QXI, which is the compact SUV, the Vitara Brezza rival, which in concept form was called the Carlino. Now this is going to get an all-new engine, a 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine, and it is going to debut in April 2019. So excitement there as well. And of course, as we've seen in some of the spy shots, it looks quite square and cool, and well, we're looking forward to it and see how it shapes up. It will bring that added dash of premiumness that Hyundai is now known for. The third all-new segment that Hyundai intends to open up is with the Kona EV, an electric SUV. This is expected in the second half of 2019, and Hyundai President YK has confirmed that it will be coming then. It will have a range of over 200 kilometers in the real world.
And I think this is the latest product, and the driving distance is more than 250 kilometers.
They will offer probably some kinds of options for car buyers where they could have charging boxes installed at their house. And aside from that, price is expected to be in the range of 25 lakh rupees.
25 lakh. That's why the price is expensive. So even though we are not making no profit for this, so that's why we are asking the government to support.
Well, that's what we know for now. There's going to be another 5 generation changes which we're going to see over the next couple of years. So lots of action coming in from Hyundai. Look forward to all of it.